Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into how to set up DeepSeek using Grok. First, I'll give you a high-level overview of what DeepSeek is, if you haven't already heard about it, why you might want to use it, introduce Grok and its role, and then walk you through getting access and writing some simple Python code to start using DeepSeek via the Groq API. Let's get started. So DeepSeek is an advanced open source AI platform developed by a Chinese company that focuses on building highly efficient large language models. The company was founded in 2023 by Liang Wenfeng, who's also the CEO. Fun fact, he also co-founded a hedge fund, High Flyer, which focuses on leveraging AI for trading strategies. One of the biggest advantages of the DeepSeek AI model is its cost effectiveness. While other models might require massive investments, DeepSeek achieved comparable results at a much lower cost. That's actually still up for debate. We don't know exactly how much DeepSeek costs to develop. One number that was floating around was around $6 million, but that's highly questionable. We simply do not know. One other benefit of DeepSeek is that it is open source, so you can inspect, modify, and change the code for your own projects, um, fostering and driving forward innovation and transparency in this space. Now, what is Grok? Grok is a cutting edge platform that simplifies accessing models like DeepSeek via its API. It provides the infrastructure to interact with AI models like DeepSeek by handling the authentication, streaming of responses, and the client management. And you'll see that in the code example later. So in short, Grok makes it super easy to bridge between your Python code and the powerful AI backend that DeepSeek offers. Right? It's a really neat application. I just tried it for the first time a couple of days ago, and I think it's super easy to use. But with that, let's actually jump into the example so you can actually see for yourself how easy it is to set up. Let's first get access to Grok. You access the page, grok.com. That should bring you to this page over here. You just have to click on the dev console over here, top right corner, and then you can log in with your email or your GitHub account. I'm going to go with my Google account. All right. That should bring you to this landing page over here. The very first step is to get the API key. You just hop over here on the left, see a bunch of options, select API keys. I already created one. I'm just going to create another one, and I'm going to call it test 02, but you can call it whatever you like. And then you'll get this key over here. It's blurred out. I'm not going to share my key, obviously, but you should save yours down. You can just click this button here, and that's the first step. Let's get to the interesting part. Let's actually run DeepSeek. The way to do this is to just hop over to your Jupyter notebook, and as a first step, you need to install Grok, right? You can do that by just running the pip install Grok command. Next, you need to enter your API key, which you got in the previous step. Just copy and paste that over here. Next, let's import and initialize the Grok client. This sets up the connection so we can actually interact with the model through Grok. Next, we need to write a bunch of code, and don't get intimidated by this. You can just copy this over from this video. This is a helper function that sends a message to DeepSeek and retrieves a response. This function basically supports streaming, which allows us to efficiently gather a response in real time from DeepSeek by using the Groq API. Again, you don't need to actually understand each part of this code, just copy it over. Next, we need to actually ask DeepSeek a question. So we need to define our prompt. So we do that over here. And the prompt is DeepSeek is known for its advanced capabilities in natural language processing. How does it compare to other AI models? So I'm really interested in how DeepSeek will actually respond to this. So all we then need to do is run it through that function that we defined before. So let me actually run this and see what DeepSeek comes back with. So this will send our query to DeepSeek and return a response. And it's actually pretty fast. And you can tell it's a very, very detailed response. Um, and it's pretty impressive how fast it came back with a very, very detailed, and I'm not gonna go through all of this here, but it seems like a very good and detailed response. So yeah, pretty cool.